Okay, hey, this is halfway through taking down your greenhouse. I was actually, oh man, what a year for learning some things this year. Like, I'm never growing my tomatoes in a pot again. Like, some of these tomatoes back here, due to the fact that their pots were so small and they're so like squished in, and maybe I didn't prune them properly or whatever, they didn't even. I was out here watering for nothing. So anyways, this is halfway done. I'm gonna keep taking. What are you doing? What? I'm gonna keep taking it apart, and I'll do another little one in a minute here. What? Right, so we're halfway cleaned out. Just got this end piece left here. Everything I had growing in this area didn't make, so that's pretty sad, I guess, because it's all cluttered up there. So it's about an hour. I think it's about an hour later that we're out here. Oh, my greenhouse is falling apart. So I just wanted to say, though, I did notice that I didn't have anything growing over here, probably due to humidity. This whole side, though, I lifted this off, and look. It's gonna make, but I haven't even been watering. So I don't know. I might squirt some water on it, and maybe I won't pull these guys down, because look. And now that I've made this here, it's kind of a little bit easier to get in and out, but that's how it goes. It's kind of clean back there, so there will be a few plants. Maybe I will shuffle around and keep going, as it is only like September the 14th or something, so a few of them could make some more fruits. They want to make some more fruits. I just have a lot going on, so I'm gonna pull some of it down, because you know what is the worst is like having to be out here, like pissing down rain, right? And then it just gets moldy. It just takes a couple days of rain and we're done. So that's that. That's my little take the greenhouse apart video. See you later, greenhouse. I don't know if you watched some of my, it's not really a greenhouse, it's just a plastic shack. This stuff that I bought that I was so stoked, that was so cheap. Yeah, look how cheap it is. And then yeah, as soon as I let these guys poke out, look, they just went like ba-boom and started making more fruit. So I guess I'll water them maybe and feed them. But compared to like my tomatoes I got over there, the outside ones, those things made a ton of fruit. So we'll do another little video where I show you about what I learned about composting this year. But that was just taking down the greenhouse on a Wednesday night fun.